Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free emote in the latest Cosmic Collisions update and fix it. First, just head to the Planetary Observatory island like this, right in front of the Fisherman Island, and then next just meet up, just meet the NPC, the MC Meteorologist. This one, just talk to him, and then just tap on the Comet sample class like this, and then you will get the class about the Comet samples. You must collect 5 Comet shards that you can find it on this island. For detailed location, just check the link in the descriptions below to watch the tutorial. And then once you have collected them all, just return to this NPC again, and then next just talk to him again, and then just tap on the I have returned this one, and then you will get the clipboard emotes like this that automatically be added to your inventory. This one, just click on it and then click on emotes icon, and then just tap on the emote like this. You will get the incredible emotes like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.